Good morning, class. My name is Ruchi, and I'm going to take your history classes. So, chapter number 1, the advent of Christianity. So, in this lesson, we'll discuss about major development in the medieval world, and the second thing, the founder of Christianity, spread of Christianity, Christian monastic order. So, first of all, I want to tell you Advent mean. The meaning of Advent is called the transition in Europe world. The meaning of transition is development or change in the modern world. It may include education, it may include architecture, it may include religion, it may include culture, and so on. So let's get started the chapter. And you can see in front of you Christian monastic order. Monastic means children relating to monks, nuns, or others living under the religion vows. Monastic means relating to monks, nuns, or other living under religious vows. So let's get started the lesson. So start from here. Now history traces means progress from the prehistoric time to the present day. So mean that what is history? History traces means process progress. Sorry, history traces means progress from the prehistoric time to the present day. Now you can see here historians have divided history into three parts. Historians have divided history into three parts. First is ancient, second is medieval, and third is modern time. It was gradual, means that it was changed gradually because it is history can't be uniformed by any time. In India, medieval period stretches during 8th century to 18th century, and the medieval period in Europe 600 CE to 1500 CE. CE means children common era. CE common era. So in India medieval period stretches during 8th century to 18th century, and Europe 600 CE to 1500 CE. The medieval period witnessed the spread of Christianity throughout the Europe. It was witnessed the rise of Arabs and the Turkish Empire, which had a remarkable influence on India. I hope you all are clear about history. So, history divided into three parts. Uh, Now, we'll get the point. Advent of Christianity. Advent of Christianity. Christianity was taught by a Jew named Jesus. Jesus was probably born in 4 BCE. Now, what is the meaning of BCE? Before Common Era. So, Christianity was taught by a Jew named Jesus. Jesus was probably born in 4 BCE in Bethlehem in Judea. And Jesus Christ began his ministry when he was about 30 years. So remember it. Jesus Christ began his ministry when he was about 30 years. Now, get the point? Teaching of Jesus Christ. The teaching of Jesus was simple and were summarized in the Jewish Bible. He taught that our love for God should be unconditional. What the Jesus taught? He taught that our love for God should be unconditional. He also considered love for neighbors to be very important. So, he also considered love for neighbors to be very important. Now, the next thing, he lived simply. He lived simply, had sympathy for all, and treated all people as equal. He was always treated all people as equal. The teachings of Jesus are recorded in the four canonical Gospels. The teaching The teaching of Jesus are recorded in the four canonical Gospels Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. So, children, read this lesson and learn points, and we'll continue the remain part in the next session. Thank you. Take care.